मेघालय स्थित हाइनीवट्रैप यूथ काउंसिल (HYC) ने शुक्रवार को ईंधन की बढ़ती कीमतों के खिलाफ शिलोंग शहर के मोटफ्रान में काले झंडे का विरोध किया और बैनर लटकाए। उनके पास बैनर थे जिन पर लिखा था, गरीबों को अमीर बनाने के लिए भारी कर क्यों देना चाहिए और भारत में लोग गरीब हैं क्योंकि सरकार ने नागरिकों पर अधिक कर लगाया है। HYC के सदस्यों ने गुजरने वाले वाहनों को काले झंडे भी वितरित किए और विरोध के निशान के रूप में झंडे फहराने के लिए कहा। NPP के नेतृत्व वाली MDA सरकार और केंद्र सरकार की भी ईंधन की कीमतों में बढ़ोतरी की निंदा करते हुए जोरदार नारे लगाए गए। मोटफ्रान में बैनर टांगने के बाद संगठन के सदस्य खेंडेलात की ओर चलने लगे, जिसे पुलिस बाजार के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। हालांकि उन्हें अतिरिक्त सहायक आयुक्त EAC डी लिंगदोह ने रोक दिया।
NPP, no. NPP, no. BJP, no. BJP, no. Bilyador, 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 BJP, BJP, Bilyador, 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 Biduna, 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 NPP, BJP.
Tell us about the protest. Okay, so today, the 22nd of this month, HYC has decided to organize this black flag protest against the price rise of fuels in the state of Meghalaya. As we all are aware, now petrol price has touched 101, 102 in some districts of the state. The diesel price has already crossed 94, 95 rupees now. So this the rise in prices is not affecting only those people who are owning vehicles, but the majority of the people who will be affected are the farmers and all those people who use public transportation as a mode of transportation. And second thing is that this rise in prices will also affect the price of essential commodities in the state. As we all know, Meghalaya is dependent on road transport for all the essential commodities to be transported to the state. So if the transportation cost goes up, then the price of essential commodities also will be affected. So we are against this. As we have all experienced what COVID has done to the state, how economy was affected, how the farmers are affected. Now with the price rise, the essential commodities, as I was saying, the essential commodities also will be affected. The rate will be, the owners will have to increase the rate. The transportation cost will be there. So it will bring more problem to the farmers and to the poorer section of society. So against this backdrop, we have organized this protest. As we have already made to the press that on the 15th of this month, we have already sent a letter to the Chief Minister of the state to urge him that he should take up this matter of fuel price with the central government, because we know that the main reason for the hike in prices of fuels is because of the central excise tax. If you calculate the price of 1 litre of diesel and petrol, you can find that 60 to 65% is because of the tax component, and for diesel it's about 50 to 55%. So this, even if the crude oil price in the international market goes down, but because of the component of tax in India as a whole, the price goes up every day. So we have already made a request to him, a demand, that if it is also feasible, the VAT component or the value added tax which the state charge from the fuels, that also has to be reduced by 50%. We have also seen some statement made by the ministers, by the state government, that this revenue that is earned from the fuel, it is being used for the development purposes, and it is also one of the revenue of the state. We wanted to give one suggestion to the state government.